100. Enter. Now, where do you want to place the center? Suppose I want to place the center of the donut here. So this is the donut is made. Okay. Yes. Again, if you left click, you will get one more donut. Just left clicking, you can get multiple donuts. You can place it here as well. See, this is the geometric center. See, this is the geometric center because this is a rectangle and all the lines are joined together. They are connected and also joined together. That's why, see, it is a geometric center or centroid will show. You can say it as a centroid as well, centroid of the rectangle or geometric center. So left click here, you will get a donut above that particular rectangle. And if you press escape, you will come out of the donut format. So this is very simple. Okay. Let me erase all the things. See, one thing has been done. We'll explain once I do ellipse. Okay, you can stretch it. Okay, you can stretch those donuts, but as of now, I won't explain that. Let me erase all the things. Now, one very important point which I want to convey here. Let me draw a rectangle using line command. F8 on, ortho on. Now, 80 means I am drawing a rectangle of 80 cross 40. 40 in this direction, I want 80, then close. So press the close button. So you will get a rectangle. So see, these lines are connected together but not joined because they are getting selected differently, separately. Okay, separately you can select. They all are 4 different entities or objects. Now let's draw a rectangle using rectangle command. First corner, second corner I can give because now the rotation angle of this rectangle is 0. So I can directly give at the rate 80, 40, enter. So here the rectangle has been made with the help of rectangle command, but you can see all the 4 sides are connected and also joined because it's a polyline. Once you hover the crosshair, you will see some property. Polyline, you can see here polyline, color, layer, line type, everything is mentioned. Layer, color, line type, I will explain in the separate video. But here you can see it is a polyline because they are joined and connected as well. So, what is the difference between this rectangle and this rectangle? Now, suppose I want to draw a circle, or suppose I want to draw a donut. Let's say inside diameter is 10 and outside diameter is 20. I want to draw a donut at the geometric center of this particular rectangle. See, it is showing. The geometric center is showing. Suppose if the geometric center is not showing in your laptop, make sure in the OSnap command that geometric center dialog is open. That is, it is activated. Let me show you. OS, enter. See this one, geometric center. This must be activated. If it is not activated, then you won't be able to see the geometric center. So let's go to donut, enter. I want inside diameter as 10 and outside diameter as 20, enter. So see, this is the geometric center. Now I want to draw one more donut at this geometric center, or you can say centroid of this rectangle, but here the geometric center is not showing. Because why the geometric center is not showing? It is not showing because it is not a single entity. That's why geometric center is not showing. Because this line, all these lines are different. So join them. J, enter. Select all the entities. 4 entities are found. Enter. Now these are joined. Now let's go to donut. DO, enter. Now you can see here inside diameter of donut, it is already specifying here 10. Inside the bracket, 10 is written. That means if I press enter now itself, it will take the inside diameter as 10. Now here, the outside diameter, by default, it is taking it as 20. So I will press enter because I want 20 as outside diameter. Now it will show the geometric center because all these 4 lines are joined and connected. Enter. See. So I hope this is very much clear.